So the first thing you want to do, assuming you've created a new project and dragged your media in, you're going to take said media, drag it onto a timeline, then you're going to copy it, and then you're going to paste another timeline right on top. After that, you want to make sure this top timeline is selected. Then you want to go over to mask. And now you have all types of different shapes, but since we're going to blur, let's say the steering wheel, we're going to just choose a circle. So now I can line it up any way that I want. I'll just keep it like this. And once we do that, we can go back to the timeline, click on this first timeline here, and then come up here to effects. And under lenses, you'll come down and you'll see the blur effect. Now we're going to drag that right on top to the first timeline. And there we are. You see this nice little blur effect. Let's go ahead and play it. And this video slowly zooms in, so you can see that the steering wheel is blurred, and you have it. You have a nice blurred section of a video. It's been your boy King from Solve. See you in the next one.